Hey YouTube, what is going on? Brandon here with another printer video. Today we've got the Brother MFC-J615W. If you're having any issues with your print quality or just a certain color isn't printing, this is a method that you can go ahead and use to clean your print head and get it back to the quality it needs to be at. Now this goes for most Brother MFC printers that have a print head like this one. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to have it set up just like I do. You're going to want to have a towel just right under it, just in case anything spills out the bottom. But for the most part, the printer itself will suck up most of the cleaning fluid that we're going to be pushing through here. All right, now you've got some ink cartridges here that you're going to go ahead and take out. Now, what causes these issues most of the time is that this ink is running dry. So I'm going to leave a link below to some ink, some Brother ink. This is 61 color and black ink. I'm going to leave a link in the description below so that you can go ahead and buy that. Make this project contingent upon you buying that ink. Don't run this ink low, because if you run this ink low, that's what's going to cause these problems, and it's going to cost you a lot more money than to just replace the ink. So if you do this cleaning, wait until you get some new ink to start printing again. Alright, so the next thing you're going to want to have is you're going to want to have a syringe just like this, and I'm also going to leave a link in the description below for a syringe kit that comes with a cleaning solution and all that. It comes with a syringe just like this, and you're going to be able to use this to clean your print head, to go ahead and put it over the nozzles and push some cleaning fluid through there. It comes with everything you need, so you don't have to go around buying different stuff. So I'm going to leave that in the description below. You're going to go ahead, grab this, and if you can see here, that nozzle that's in there, the black nozzle, it's kind of tough seeing it from here, but if you see those nozzles there, that is what you're wanting to clean. So you're going to put your syringe right over that, and again, you're going to have your towel here just in case. And you're going to push your cleaning solution right through there. Now the cleaning solution might even have some fitments that fit perfectly over these nozzles, but for the most part, if you need to generically with a generic syringe, you can go ahead and just do it this way. But as you can see there, you got some black ink that kind of spilled out. That's why you're going to want to have this rag here. So once you're done with the yellow, you're going to go ahead and put your nozzle right over the cyan. So you're just working your way through each color and you're cleaning out the nozzle. Next is magenta. Okay, and there should be a little bit of pressure. If you see there, I'm applying a little bit of pressure and it's not just shooting right through. That's normally how it is. So you can repeat this process and make sure you're doing this in a clean manner, just so that there's not ink splattering all over the place. But you can do that multiple times. You can do that, or if you have a certain color that just isn't printing, you can really focus in on that color. If you could see those nozzles there, that is what you are cleaning. That's what you're putting your syringe over and pushing the fluid through. Okay, so you see those, and you can match up the color if it's a color problem, just a specific one, or if it's an overall print quality issue. And while you're doing this, you might as well just run it through all of them. Now again, once you get your new ink, then you can go ahead and put that in there, and you can start printing again, and that should solve your problem. You might have to run a couple of cleanings through, on the program through your printer, which you can find. You go to your maintenance option, and then you should see the cleaning button. But that's really all you're gonna really need to do. If that doesn't solve it for whatever reason, and you're still having problems, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below for a new version of this printer, and also maybe 2 or 3 similar printers that use similar ink, so that you can buy a used one. Don't be afraid to buy a used one, on Amazon especially, which is what the link is to, because they have a good A to Z claim return policy, so that if you have any issues, you're not going to have a problem getting your money back at all if you don't receive what was described. So for the most part, used printers still have a lot of life in them, and especially if you have a lot of leftover ink, or you just want to use this type of printer for whatever reason, that is a very good option. I really do condone that. So I hope this video was helpful. There's a lot of resources in the description below. I also have a website, bestprinterstech.com. That's going to be in the description below as well. And there should have also been a pop-up on the screen so that you can go ahead and take advantage of that. There's some information on there that's very helpful. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and until next time.